Eurasian Curlew is a scimitar-billed, large shorebird of varied open habitats. It has large size, overall brown plumage, and long, decurved bill. In flight you can observe white back patch, mostly white underwings. Common call an onomatopoeic coor-lee. Compared to smaller Whimbrel, which has head stripes, a piping whistled call, and Far Eastern Curlew, which has a buffy rump and extensively marked underwings. Breeds mainly in grasslands, from coastal marshes to upland moors, winters mainly in coastal lowlands, especially mudflats and adjacent marshes.